Alright, so let's do some maths here. So this is a non-calculator paper, so we just use our brain with those. 1 mark, so actually no step is required, but if needed, I will do some. So 5 minus this 7 times 2 is 14 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13 minus 4 is negative 1. And this one, I will have 3, 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1 to get the 0.001. So cube root it should be 0.1 there. Alright, moving on, we need to measure the reflect angle. So for my little projector here, it doesn't really work, so I have to measure this small angle here. And this is, to me, is 60. No, it's 126. So this is 126, 360 minus 126. That should be 4, 3, 2. Yes, 432 degrees, right? Little bubble there. All right, moving on. Okay, interior angle 180 minus 80 equals to x. So x is 100 degrees. Exterior angle, one exterior angle of the 18 side. So all the exterior angle is 360 divided by 18. So it's 20 degrees there. With a little bubble. Because 2 marks, I write some sketch. All right, moving on. Now we have a simultaneous equation. So get through those. I will have x equals to 7 plus 3y and x equals to 5 plus 2y. Put it together, 7 plus 3y equals to 5 plus 2y. So y would be equals to negative 2. And to put it back into one of them, so 7 equals to 3 minus 6 equals to 1. So I got 1 and negative 2 there. No brainer. Alright, fraction with the lowest term, 0.6. I need my eraser somewhere. Yes. 68 divided by 100. So divided by 2. So 34 and 50. One more. 17, 25. So I got 17 over 25 there. Moving on, division, 3 over 7 becomes times 9 over 8. Nothing we can simplify, so I got 27 at the top and 56 at the bottom. Alright, next one. I want to see the next term of the sequence. I can see it's negative 1 square, 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. The next one should be 4 square, which is 16. Oh, sorry, I need a general term instead. So it will be 0, 1, 2 terms, so n minus 2 squared, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th term minus 2. Yeah, pretty good. Moving on, expand and simplify. So this 2p squared plus 2p cubed minus 7p cubed minus 7q squared. So I will have 2p squared minus 5p cubed minus 7q squared. Alright, factorize. I can see like terms here. So 2 minus t minus 2 minus t, 8. So both of them got, so I will have 2 minus t as the common factor, and I left out 1 over 1 minus 8. Alright, next one. Okay, so this is the center of the circle, and then it's the same arc. So y should be double this. And this space should be double it. This is 220, so y should be 110. And the x is double that one, so this is 70. Oh, doing good. All right, y is inversely proportion inversely proportion to x squared. So when 4 equals to k over 9, so 36 equals to k. So y should be equal to 36 over x squared. All right, find the value of it. So I got 27 cube rooted and then square. So get the 3 square equals to 9. Oh, it's getting tiring. So we have 18h8. Number by number, 18 divided by 3 equals to times h. 18 minus 3 because of the index. So now we got 6h to the power 15. All right, s in terms of u. So I will throw the u to the other, the v on the other side. So I have 2as equals to u squared minus v squared. And then I do a bit of the division. So I have s equals to u squared minus v squared over 2a. No brainer. All right, Venn diagram. Union, not. So this, the whole thing is union. I want the not bit. So yeah, that's good. All right, now I want the P and Q union, which also intersect R. So that will be this bit, the union of it, but intersect R. All right, 70. 70 is a tricky one. So I will have 100 times 7, so I have 10, 7, root 7. Rationalize the denominator because it's 7 minus root 2, so I have to multiply by plus root 2. So that gives us 7 plus root 2. The bottom one is 49 minus 2. So I will have 7 plus root 2 over 47. All right, and then this bit, I need to take out some factor with those. So I take out t for the top bit. The bottom one is a difference of 2 squared. So this left over, t over 3 plus 7. I like this log, so write down the value. So log 9, 3, 1 over 2, 9, 1 over 2 become that. So put it suited to the front, so I have 1 over 2 log 9 equals to 1 over 2. All right, and then I need to find the value of it, so I put that over. So I have log 2 squared plus log 11. So I have log 4 times 11 give me log 44. Okay, last question. The arc length of this, 4 pi over 3. Area of the sector is k theta. Okay, so I need to find the angle. If I have in radian, oh no. So I will have arc length 2 pi r times 306 times theta over 360 equals to 4 pi over 3. Oh, why am I doing this? So I have 4, and then I cancel the 2 pi. So I have, no, one more. No, it doesn't work like that. All right, so 2 times 2 is 16. So I got 4, that's 90 over 2, and then that become 4 pi theta over 90 equals to 4 pi over 3. So theta over 90 equals to 1 over 3. Theta equals to 60 degrees. And then I need to find the area. So pi r squared times 60 over 360 equals to pi 64 over 12. And that's how we got the answer.